guys, I'm Chrissy. Today I'm going to show you a little video how I frame my artwork. So I've got an A4 frame here, any frame that you like. It's an A4 which is roughly 29.7 by 21 centimeters, and I'm using the same size foam board, and it's roughly 3mm thick foam board. Yeah, just a little board. So what you need today is just some double-sided tape, which I have here. This is the tear-off tape. You can buy this at any craft shop. A little pokey tool to pull off the tape. Some brown greaseproof paper, frame, and obviously your artwork. So I'm going to start by putting down my double-sided tape. So what I do, I just place it on pretty straight, and you don't need to go right to the top. So you can just go like a mil or two down, don't do it right to the edges, and then just tear off. Yeah, just move that out of the way, turn it round. So we want to do this round every side of the board, and it's easy tape, it just tears pretty easy, you don't need scissors. This is the easiest way I find to do my art, and it's not expensive neither. So get it on all sides, but don't overlap each tape, try and leave a gap. And then in the middle, I just put a few extra little pieces, just for extra strength, yeah? But it shouldn't come off, but I do it anyway. So what we do then is just burnish all that down underneath, make sure it's all stuck to your board, nice and flat. Then you get your little tool. It's just a little craft tool, what you call a pokey tool. This just does help me get the tape off. So you gently push in, but don't push down into your board. Lift off your tape, pull it off. So try and keep it pretty flat, your little tool. Don't be poking in, try and keep it flat. So you're poking under, not in, because you don't want to damage your board. So it's under, lift off all your tape, keep going round, like so. And these little pieces here, sometimes you've got to just manipulate it slightly. We get there in the end, don't we? Okay, that's also, we'll get rid of all that. Turn my board back round, move them out the way. So this is my artwork, obviously. You'll be able to see this on my YouTube channel. Now what I do is put it down. Now I'm not going to press it down, I'm just going to lay it down to make sure I've got the sides nice and level. So just lay it flat, and there will be little gaps at the side of your board. I'm just going to push it further down, I think. Let's try there. Now check each side, make sure you're happy, and that side needs to come up a little bit. So you want it pretty level, yeah. So just manipulate that round. That's cool. Excuse me. And once you're happy, just gently press it down. I like to use just these two fingers, so you're not putting too much pressure on. And there you go, all framed. So we'll move that. Now we want to put it in the frame. So let's turn the frame over. We'll just take these little lips off. Take your back off your frame, place that over there. Now this is where you need a mutley, because we don't want the glass in, so we're going to gently manipulate that glass out. Pass that to helping hands, because we don't want it. Now if you're really clever, what I do, I like to do two paintings. So what I've got on this side, I've also got on that side. So if you want this painting to show, you can have it that way. and also you can have it that way. But to protect your artwork, this is why I use the greaseproof paper. I will lay that over one side of a painting. Turn it round. So you decide which piece of art you want in. Lay that in. Oh, that way, sorry. Back to front. So lay that in. Just mind your little clips aren't sticking into your art, because sometimes they can do. Oh, this one. Lay that in. Press it in. Make sure it fits in. So why I put this on, it's just to protect your art from sticking to this here, because the acrylic paints can be a bit sticky. Place your back on. Fold your caps down, your little flat things. Turn it over, and there you have your beautifully framed up piece of work. So you can also take that out, turn it over, and then you can have two paintings in one frame. So I hope this was helpful, guys. So thanks for watching. Please give me a comment if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up. And also consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.